How was your experience?
बहुत अच्छा रहा।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
बहुत अच्छा माशाल्लाह।
बहुत सारे इंडियंस की भी डेथ हो गई 98 वहाँ पर। क्या वजह रही?
वो गर्मी है सिर्फ, और सफोकेशन गर्मी यही है। और
Was it fine? Many people lost their lives.
वो तो रहता ही है, थोड़ा सा गर्मी ज्यादा रहती है तो।
जो मुअल्लिम ने जो अरेंजमेंट करी वो बिल्कुल बहुत मिसमैनेजमेंट किया उसने। जहाँ 500 हाजी थे वहाँ सिर्फ 250-300 ने गद्दे डाल रखे।
One of the holiest pillars of Islam, the Hajj pilgrimage, has turned fatal for many because of climate change and intense heat waves. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam in addition to the profession of faith, prayer and fasting. According to the holy book, the very able Muslim must perform Hajj at least once. Some Muslims make the journey more than once. Each year, millions of Muslims from all across the world travel by land, sea and air to Makkah, Saudi Arabia to perform Hajj. Approximately 2 to 3 million people attend Hajj each year. After performing Hajj, the first batch of 378 Hajj pilgrims returned to Delhi airport on Saturday evening. The Delhi State Hajj Committee chairperson Kausar Jahan garlanded them with flowers and congratulated them on their return to the country. The returning pilgrims received a warm welcome at the airport.
How was your journey?
It was almost good, fine. Little bit problems, but alhamdulillah, all was good.
Did you face any difficulties?
No.
किस तरह की arrangements थी? What were the arrangements?
बढ़िया।
बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जानें खोई से वीडियो जा रही थी जिसमें लोग फुटपाथ पे थे, वो अपनी जानें खो रहे हैं।
वो तो खैर आपको भैया वेरी इमोशनल मोमेंट फॉर यू।
बहुत अच्छा लगा माशाल्लाह, बहुत मजा आया। सऊदी वालों ने बहुत हेल्प की।
कितने दिन बाद बच्चे से मिल रहे हैं?
43 days बाद।
Globally, 1.8 million performed Hajj this year. The death count for this year's Hajj has exceeded 1,000, an AFP tally said on Thursday. More than half of them unregistered worshippers who performed the pilgrimage in extreme heat as temperatures soared past 51 degrees Celsius in Saudi Arabia. As many as 98 Indians are among hundreds of pilgrims who have died during the annual Muslim pilgrimage to Mecca amid the scorching heat.
And it's very unfortunate and it's very sad for what has happened about the deaths which have taken place, and it has happened due to the extreme weather conditions, the heat. From our side, we have tried and put in all efforts, we've issued advisories. We've tried to tell people that at so and so time, please be indoors, come out in the evening. But still, certain things are beyond our control.
Addressing a press briefing on Friday, Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal said 175,000 Indian citizens are already on Hajj pilgrimage in Saudi Arabia.
This year we have 175,000 Indians who've already visited Hajj. So far we've lost 98 of our citizens. These deaths have happened on account of natural illness, natural causes, chronic illness, as also old age.
Each year, tens of thousands of pilgrims attempt to perform Hajj through irregular channels as they cannot afford the often costly official permits.
इलीगल लोग भी आए हुए थे
मिस्र वगैरह के थे। उन लोग मिस्र वगैरह के इलीगल आए हुए थे बहुत। उन लोगों के पास खेमे नहीं थे, वो लोग सड़क पे ही थे, बस एक छाता था उनपे। वो चक्कर में उन्हें ज्यादा गर्मी रही तो वो चक्कर में उनकी डेथ वगैरह हुई।
टेम्परेचर 52 तक पहुंच गया था।
We saw videos where people were lying on footpaths and many people were dead under the sun. What were the circulation or what guidelines given to you by the organizing team?
थोड़ी बहुत कमी तो रहती है, मगर ऐसा रहता है, कोई कॉमन सी बात है। थोड़ी बहुत गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा थी, पैदल चलने से हो जाता है।
Saudi authorities reported clearing hundreds of thousands of unregistered pilgrims from Mecca earlier this month, but it appears many still participated in the main rites which began on June 14th. This group was more vulnerable to the heat because without official permits, they could not access air-conditioned spaces provided by Saudi authorities for the 1.8 million authorized pilgrims to cool down after hours of walking and praying outside. Speaking to NDTV, the pilgrims said their journey was nice despite the extreme heat and some problems. They expressed happiness upon returning home.
कैसा रहा आपका सफर वहाँ?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत
अच्छा,
बहुत
कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस करी
नहीं,
आपने?
नहीं, कोई नहीं।
अरे मैनेजमेंट सब ठीक था वहाँ पर, अरेंजमेंट
जी,
आपका?
जी, जी।
गर्मी बहुत थी, काफी लोगों की जान चली गई वहाँ।
हमें महसूस नहीं हुआ।
अरेंजमेंट कैसा था वहाँ पे आपका?
बहुत अच्छा।
बहुत लोगों ने अपनी जान नहीं खोई, 1000 लोगों ने अपनी वहाँ जान खो दी। कैसा
बहुत अच्छा था।
वहाँ पे पानी की व्यवस्था और आपके लिए गर्मी के लिए क्या सरकार ने किया था?
सब कुछ अच्छा था।
बहुत अच्छा। गर्मी बहुत थी, काफी लोगों की जान चली गई वहाँ पर।
One of the passengers mentioned that due to extreme heat, they had to face water issues. But in such a large gathering, facing some problems was expected.
Water problem between Muzdalifah and Jamrat. Water problem.
Another pilgrim added that most of the deaths during Hajj occurred due to extremely hot weather in Mecca.
बहुत सारे इंडियंस की भी डेथ हो गई 98 वहाँ पर। क्या वजह रही उसकी?
वो गर्मी है, सिर्फ सफोकेशन गर्मी यही है। और
About 1.8 million people have taken part in this year's Hajj, and about 1.7 lakh Indians have visited the holy city Mecca. The death toll in this year's Hajj have exceeded 1,000 mark, out of which 98 were Indian Muslims died due to intense heat. With my colleague Yashat Raj, this is Atisham Khan reporting from Delhi Airport, New Delhi.